Hello, little hero. Welcome to Little Heroes of Faith. Tonight, I have a special bedtime blessing just for you. Before you close your eyes, I want to remind you of something wonderful. You are loved, you are precious, and God is watching over you right now. You may feel small, but the one who made the whole world cares about every little part of your day. He knows your thoughts, your hopes, your dreams, and he smiles when he thinks of you. And do you know something else? You don't have to wear a cape to be a hero. Every time you are kind, every time you pray, every time you trust God, your courage shines. God is with you when you play, when you learn, and even now, as you get ready to sleep. His love is a blanket that never falls off, and his arms are always open. Let's say tonight's bedtime blessing together. Dear God, thank you for today. Please watch over me as I sleep. Fill my heart with peace and help me grow brave, kind, and full of faith. Good night, Lord. Amen. Rest now, little hero. The night is calm and bright. God's love surrounds you gently through the night. Close your eyes and dream sweet dreams above, wrapped in his blessings, comforted by love. Good night, little hero. Sleep peacefully. You are safe, you are loved, and God is always with you.